Okay, mammals, good morning. Today kind of caught me by surprise, but here we are with another snow day. So let's dig in. I'd like you guys to watch a Khan Academy video about phase diagrams. Phase diagrams show what happens to the phase, like solid, liquid, or gas, when you change temperature and when you change pressure. So I'm going to post a link to the Khan Academy video in the description. The way that I'm going to know if you did this is we're going to have a very short quiz when we get back, and it is going to be these questions right here. So I'm trying to reward the few of you that have actually kind of come to check out the NTI videos by giving you exactly what the quiz that you will see. So what you're going to need to look for when you watch this video is note on the diagram which axis, X or Y, is pressure on, and then which axis is the temperature on. The graphs always kind of look the same. They've always got this sort of shape like this, and I will be asking you to label which parts of this is the solid, liquid, and gas. Alright? In the video they talk about what happens when you change pressure and how that affects things like boiling and melting point. The specific example that he uses in there is what happens to the boiling point of water when you go from sea level pressure to the pressure like at high altitude, Denver or Mount Everest. Okay. Most of you guys are familiar with the words for changing from solid to a liquid, or liquid to a gas, or liquid to a solid. But there's a part on the phase diagram where a solid can turn directly into a gas. Probably not too familiar about that, so make sure you know that term. And then lastly, there's a special place on the graph called the triple point. So know what states are present at the triple point. So again, Khan Academy video. I'll post the link to it in the description. Maybe write these questions down or take a picture of it. But these are exactly the questions that will be on your quiz when we return, and hopefully you can get the answers to these. They're laid out, totally obvious from the video. This is pretty much in chronological order, so you should be able to just check them off as you go through the video. Later, guys. Post if you have any questions.